This is my video on why quantum tech is a threat. Let's go back to the 1900s. Captain Pegleg here would like to send an important message to his ship over the internet. But there's no way to keep it from getting swiped. Then Revest, Shamir, and Edelman came along. They invented this thing called RSA encryption. Here's how it works. Both parties have a public key and a private key. Anything encrypted by a public key can only be decrypted by a private key, and vice versa. Captain Pegleg has access to 3 keys: his own private key, his own public key, and his crew's public key. He is going to use his crew's public key to encrypt the map. Then only the crew's private key will be able to decrypt it. He will then encrypt his name with his own private key to ensure that the crew knows that it is him who sent the information. Anyone in between will be unable to understand what is being said. The crew will then decrypt the information using their own private key and decrypt the rest using the captain's public key. The crew now has the map and knows it is from the captain. In reality, the private key is made up of 2 prime numbers and the public key made up of them multiplied together. In theory, all you would need to do to find the private key is factor the public key. But this isn't as easy as it sounds. Even with today's fastest supercomputers, because these public keys are so big, it would still take longer than the lifetime of the universe to factor them. Unless you have a quantum computer. Classical computers are built on bits, which hold values either 0 or 1. A quantum bit, or a qubit, can hold values either 0, 1, or both at the same time. So while a classical computer would have to perform one calculation, then another, and then another, a quantum computer performs all the calculations at the same time. Soon these computers will be powerful enough to factor very large numbers, which would mean our 2048-bit RSA key would no longer be secure.